Use the MyLink's Scene feature to control multiple channels of motorized products with a single tap. You can have a total of 25 scenes per MyLink. Access the scene screen from the button on the bottom of the screen or the main menu. Press the plus button to add the scene and name it. Now press the plus to add the motorized products you want to be associated with the scene. In this wake up scene, we want the roller shade to open. To do that, first select the MyLink, if you have multiple MyLink devices, then select the roller shade and press the up command for open. To edit a scene, click on the pencil sign and edit as needed. We will change the name of the scene to Good Morning. To add another product and command you want to be part of the scene, click on the plus sign. Repeat to add more products, or click Done to save the scene. Now let's activate the scene. Simply go to the Scene menu and press Good Morning. All products associated with the scene will open. To delete a scene, click on the pencil sign, select the scene you wish to delete, and select Delete from the bottom of the screen. Now you're ready to create schedules. Thanks for watching. Visit us on somfysystems.com for more information.